All right. You gotta be kidding. I've never seen anything like this before in my life.
So weird.
You just walked with a bird on your foot. Oh my crap.
What's his name? Roger?
Sure.
Yeah.
Or should we call him Paul Knudsen?
Paul.
Or Daryl.
Daryl.
Or Cousin Hans.
Yeah. This is an egg bird.
Is it Eggbird? Eggbird here in Duluth, Minnesota. Super happy. He likes to watch curling matches when they occur in the winter here. Yeah.
Dude, he's just chilling.
Dude, I am baffled.
It's not
by
even
this.
bothering him that I'm walking now.
It's been almost a minute that I've been filming this.
Oh my gosh.
He likes you.
Yeah?
Hardcore.
What's not to like?
Oh. Just kidding. That's hilarious.